She's back. The pocket rocket returns to MVP after a brief departure.
I know after someone see that look intro there, you will be like this. Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce, MVP, leaving, MVP, wanting her to stay, MVP, blocking her move, till Shelly-Ann Fraser returns to MVP. It's like a super prize, like a look of love drama. You understand what I say? Yo, MVP, Shelly-Ann did say she want to leave, and Steve basically tell her this. Shelly basically look upon Stephen, Bruce James and MVP and make them know, say basically say, go on if you want, but remember say you can't say me never give you love, can't say me treat you badly, you know say me dead for you, you know. Ta-na-ni-no. So if I say, Stephen pre-thing and make them know, say yo, if Shelly leave for no my training fault, the only fault my training have to turn Shelly in a star. At MVP, we possess the best techniques. When we're done with the athletes, then mash up chat meets. Yo, sometimes I wonder about myself still a big bad thing. Says Fraser-Pryce returns to MVP. Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce has returned to the MVP camp after a brief dalliance with the newly formed track and field club in Santa Cruz, St. Elizabeth, led by up-and-coming coach Ronaldo Walcott. You understand? First, I say MVP are the best place to Shelly, but after my pre-duration, I do the maths and I realize there's a new track club that is being set up in Central Jamaica. I think having the star power of Shelly-Ann Fraser would have done wonders for that track club. You understand? Somebody kind of warm up to the idea and I warm up to the fact that Central Jamaica will be starting to produce some more quality athletes. You understand? A source close to the club confirmed the reports, but refused to go into any details, saying only yes, the reports are true and she has returned to MVP. Reports emerged in August during the Olympic Games in Rio that two-time Olympic game champion Fraser-Pryce has split from the MVP club and coach Stephen Francis, and that started pre-season work with Walcott, a former MVP coach in Santa Cruz. I did a video about the Rio situation. I did about a video when she actually left, and I did a video about the fact that she has joined a new club. I'll place a link to all those videos in cards somewhere over here. So Fraser-Pryce, who won the bronze medal in the women's 100 meter in Rio, had refused to address her training situation despite the fact she was seen training in Santa Cruz last week. Yo, the situation here is just a roller coaster. You understand what I say? So basically, MVP and sponsors of MVP, Nike, decided that Shelly, they nobody want Shelly leave. Nike decided that they would have cut her endorsement deal, which is very, very lucrative based on what me if you understand. If she actually leaves, so I figure say yo, it was more a monetary thing as to why she returned to MVP. That is just my observation. If you think or you know something different, please feel free to share it in the comment section down below. And say, teacher, know say I say you got something know. I'm willing to learn them. I'm always hoping to learn. You understand what I'm saying? So MVP has gotten their way. I suppose them link up Shelly and make sure know say yo.
Baby, wanna see your face, wanna feel your touch, wanna hold you in my arms because I miss you so much.
After MVP initially made the advances, I suppose Shelly look at them and let them know and say, yo.
We can lose this if you do the way you feel do. One got the way you are do. Say you're not in me, but I'm not in you.
I suppose Nike step in and start, make Shelly know go on, and then MVP link her again, and Bruce James and Stephen Francis make she know and say, yo, here we go on, man.
Any kind of fool could see there was something in everything about you. Baby, come back. You can blame it all on me. I was wrong.
Still never in it, so Shelly look upon them and make them know and say, yo, here we go on there, Steve and Bruce.
No, no, no. You don't love me, and I know now.
After that, Shelly, I say, yo, why you need me to come back yet? Steve, you never done say nobody want me at the club because we not get along, you understand? And Steve and Bruce make you know, say, yo, them just sit there down and make you know, say, Shelly, here we go on, man. Listen to this.
You're simply the best. Better than all the rest. Better than anyone. Anyone I ever met.
The situation is what it is. Drama. We want to leave. Okay, go on where you go. We nobody want you to leave. I'm gone already. I don't want to come back. You have to come back. Really? Nike, you have to go back. Really? The money thing, yeah, me I circle back. So right now, everybody is like...
Remember to like, share, subscribe. This is Steve saying, until next time, walk good.